The tip for today is how to make and store ginger paste. So for this, you peel, wash the ginger nicely, dry it and slice it like this. Cut into small pieces and blend it into a smooth paste. After it's blended, say about 2 cups of sliced ginger, you add quarter cup of oil, give it a blitz again, and here you have a nice ginger paste which will last fresh in the fridge for about a week to 10 days. It's actually a great idea to do this. It makes cooking so much easier and nothing better than having your fresh homemade ginger paste. I hope this tip is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And we'll be back with some more tips like this.